In today's video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about the support and resistance levels with breaks indicator by LuxAlgo. Identifying key levels on a chart is fundamental to technical analysis, but spotting genuine breakouts versus fakeouts can be challenging. This indicator aims to simplify that process by automatically drawing support and resistance lines while highlighting significant breaks based on volume and price action. To add this to your chart, open up TradingView and head over to the top toolbar. Click on the Indicators tab, and in the search bar, type Support and Resistance Levels with Breaks. Look for the one published by LuxAlgo. Simply click on it to add it to your active chart. At its core, this indicator is an automated level finding tool. Instead of manually drawing horizontal lines at every swing high or swing low, this script does the heavy lifting for you. It solves the common problem of subjective line drawing by using a rigid mathematical formula to find structural pivots. Beyond just plotting lines, it acts as a breakout detector, actively monitoring price to see when it crosses these established zones and categorizing those breaks based on momentum. Let's break down the underlying mechanics. The indicator uses a pivot high and pivot low function. It scans a specific number of bars to the left and right of a candle to confirm a peak or a trough. Once confirmed, it plots a continuous red line for resistance or a blue line for support. To evaluate breakouts, the code incorporates a custom volume oscillator. It calculates a short-term 5-period exponential moving average and a longer 10-period EMA of the volume. By comparing these two, it creates a percentage-based oscillator to measure current volume momentum. When price crosses a support or resistance line, the script checks this volume oscillator against a predefined threshold. It also examines the candle's shape, specifically the size of the wicks relative to the body, to determine the nature of the break. When you look at your chart, you will see blue support lines and red resistance lines forming dynamically. The most actionable signals come from the labels that appear during a breakout. If price closes below a blue support line with high volume and a strong candle body, you will see a red B label indicating a valid bearish break. Conversely, a green B means a strong bullish break through resistance. You can use these labels to read the market context without needing to manually measure volume or candle proportions. Finally, let's look at the settings. By double-clicking the indicator, you can adjust the left bars and right bars. Increasing these numbers will plot fewer, more significant macro levels, while decreasing them will show shorter-term micro levels. You can also adjust the volume threshold to filter out weaker breakouts. To wrap up, this indicator provides a systematic way to view market structure and volume-backed breakouts. I would love to hear how you plan to use this tool. What left and right bar settings do you find work best for your favorite time frame? Let me know in the comments below, and happy learning!